Hello everyone. Today we see the factors affecting hemicellulose degradation. First is temperature and pH. Temperature and pH affect the rate of hydrolysis of hemicellulose. The highest rate of hydrolysis is achieved at pH 6 and 40 degrees centigrade. The increase in temperature above 40 degrees centigrade has a negative impact on total xylose production, as temperature probably affects the stability of the hemicellulolitic enzymes. Second is organic matter. The presence of organic matter increases the rate of hemicellulose degradation, as the organic matter act as a substrate. However, if hemicellulose is component of organic matter, the rate of hydrolysis decreases. The rate of degradation increases with the addition of a small amount of readily decomposable organic matter, as it allows the growth of microorganisms. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much.